In this quick video, I'll show you the fastest ways to type O with accent on Windows and on Mac. You can use the same patterns in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and almost any other app. Let's start on Windows. On Windows, the easiest method is using Alt codes on the numeric keypad. First, make sure numlock is turned on. Click where you want the letter, hold down the Alt key, and type a 4-digit code on the number pad. For example, to type O with an acute accent, hold Alt and type 0243, then release Alt. To type O with an umlaut, hold Alt and type 0246, then release the Alt key. You can repeat the same steps with the other codes for the different O accents. The pattern is always the same. Cursor in place, numlock on, hold Alt, type the code on the keypad, release Alt. If Alt codes do not work for you, your keyboard may not have a separate number pad, or numlock is off. In that case, use one of the other methods. Now let's look at Mac. On a Mac, you use Option shortcuts. The idea is press Option and an accent key, let go, then type the letter O. For O with an acute accent, press Option and E together, let go, then press O. For O with an umlaut, press Option and U, let go, then press O. For O with a tilde, press Option and N, let go, then press O. To get the capital versions, do the same thing but press Shift and O at the last step, or turn on Caps Lock before you type the final O. These shortcuts work in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, your browser, email, and most apps on Mac. If you prefer menus, you can also go to Insert, then Symbol in Word or Excel, and pick the accented O from the symbol list. But once you learn the Alt codes or the Option shortcuts, they are much faster. And that's it. Use Alt codes on Windows, Option shortcuts on Mac, and you can quickly type any O with accent you need. You can find all the codes and a click-to-copy tool in the article linked below.